তিনি যিনি TTAD sa habang ibo te saklai mo tai logi bo tongo chini press meet khlaitani chini honorable EM Barmanang Rajesh Tipra te chini honorable MDC chini South Juni chairman Barmanang Rajesh Tipra te chini sports and youth affairs department ni chini principal officer Barmanang Omortip Deborma Pulano saklai mutongnai chini TTAD sa habang ngai chini bobagram belekan hambai omake initiative ka hamnawi chini sikla salerang tidul man bagai te chini honorable CM honorable deputy CM te jotto EM te jotto chini MDC jotto ni support by chini Tipra Football League success klaiman ka te aboni final match ngai 15 tarik ni duita tampro Khomlung stadium bo thangjaknai thangnai rongni bising tolni ingkha chini Gomoti district ni team by chini West Zone borok batelene tai third position tongrukha eba thangai kuplai ka third position bagai chini dolai okay aja go china special guest ngi phaima ja phaine chini Indian football team ni captain former captain Mr. Baichung Bhutia hai chini pandano masagi phaine tai bodonai chini hani boagra Maharaja Sri Pradip Vikramanikko Deborma bobologi tongnai tai jotto chini Tipra Hasen lukorokno khakham tai jotto chini thungkrung eba dolni chini players no ani khakham borongni bagai chini TTAD sa habang ngai khakham yapar horo narok kaham kurung kai practice khilai final match narok tai bonong kurung kokno phonodi tai first prize tongnai chini khuplai rano 3 lakh tongnai second prize tongnai 1.5 lakh third prize tongnai 75,000 ngai opanda phaimajar phagai hastini jotto chini thung hangjak tongnai chini jotto lukorokno khabai lamsago jeng TTAD sa habang ngai hamai next sing this weekly pattern agai chini committee samjaka gaza go chini hospitality management chini medical team thum chini volunteers naikoli chini pandang nai thor nai on bagi chini jotto bedeng ni eba department bakhati chin kaisa committee khlaijaka o committee wo chini bo EM bo MDC chairman sibo tongnai president sibo tongnai abo jotto chun committee bakhakri abo kaisa form khlaijaka
abono kare final match ni sala kuno apte hei chamung hai ka ba announcement ro khlaijaka abai bo hai kina
acha abon ge chini awai mung ta tabung nong ni bakhakte chini media nong bakhakte ba awai mung tongnai te abon ya gulo chini ICAT department bakhakte abo tongnai abon ya gulo chini resam mosam chini culture team borok tongnai nge lama chini flex banner over bochen thepa janai first of all I would like to thank my dear friends and today we conduct a press meet on behalf of TTADC. Then first of all I'm really thankful to Buvagra, then our honorable CM, honorable deputy CM, all EMs and all MDCs for their support and guidance which have made the Tipra Football League successful, and the final match of the league will be played on 15/12/2021 where our former Indian national football team captain Sri Baichung Bhutia and Buvagra will grace the special occasion. Final match Gomoti versus West Zone. I invite everyone to come and be part of the exciting match and occasion. Thank you everyone.